guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we resize a pair of baggy jeans. Don't you just hate it when jeans fit you at your hips and then your waist is a totally different story? Today I'm going to show you how to easily fix this problem with just one item, which is an elastic band. Let's get started. You're going to need for this DIY, obviously the jeans you're resizing, an elastic band. I got this off AliExpress for about $1, I think, a pair of scissors, some sewing thread and a needle, and tailor's chalk. I used regular teacher chalk, if that's what you're gonna call it, because that's what I had lying around the house. And to start off, you're just going to mark exactly the length you want to resize. So it would be a good idea to measure the jeans and know how many inches you want to take off. Once you've done that, cut where you've marked and start by cutting a hole, and then expand it with your scissors. It's just easier that way, but do it however you please, baby girl. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to put that in my elastic. This is to guide your elastic, that way it doesn't get lost inside your jeans. So pull it to the other side. It might be a hassle, but it's doable. Once your bobby pin re-emerges on the other side, just make sure that the length of the elastic is smaller than the length of your trousers. That way you're going to be pulling in the waist. That's the most important thing. Make sure the elastic is not so long. That way you're going to be actually reducing the jeans. Once you have it at a suitable position, just sew it on and make sure that I can't even talk, but make sure that the thread is not being seen on the outside of the jeans, because that's not gonna look cute. So yeah, just sew whichever kind of sewing method, use whatever you like. I am the worst at sewing, so this is not a sewing tutorial. Okay. Once you've done that, obviously you're going to cut off the excess thread, and now you're going to pull the elastic. That way it really reduces in size. And once you're at a suitable position, just sew the other side. Make sure that you're sewing tight or taut, I don't know, but make sure that your sewing will not budge, because it's so easy for this to come undone. I had to redo this like 2 times, but make sure you're really sewing well. If you can get someone who can sew for you, it's fine. If you want to sew it yourself, just make sure that you're really making sure that the elastic is properly sewn onto the jeans. Once you've done that, cut off the excess elastic, spread out your jeans, that way the end of the elastic disappears into the jeans. And that's basically it. So that bit over there is what's going to reduce the waist of your jeans. And yeah, it might be a bit folded up, but it's fine. It's fine. That's basically it for this video. It just makes your jeans wearable. I never used to wear this pair of jeans without a belt, and now I can. And yeah, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Until then, bye.